Field, latest information, Whiskey 215 Zulu weather, wind at 280 at 5, visibility 10, 5,000 scattered, 10,000 scattered, temperature 20, dew point 10, altimeter 3044. ILS runway 32 left approaching you. Landing and departing at runways 32 left and 32 right. Aircraft landing, runway 32 right, are reminded to fly the PAPI. VFR aircraft may direct the flight. All aircraft feedback hold short instructions. Notice to airmen that Bravo taxiway south 300 feet closed to aircraft with a wingspan more than 79 feet. Intersection Alpha 4 holding position sign south side for runway 32 right missing. Temporary flight restriction in effect in accordance with NOTAM 7 slant 4319er for Centralia Field until 1 hour after the event concludes. No practice approach is authorized. Contact flight service for further details. Advise on initial contact aviator information Whiskey.
Alrighty, so we're going to leave Boeing Field. More likely they're going to give us a squawk code because of TFR today. And then we're going to fly over northbound, if it's North Flow. From North Flow we're going to do a Blake departure, and then we're going to go across Blake. Once we cut across to the west side, we're going to start heading down southwest. Our path is going to cut us through the area of Port Arthur Airport on the west side. We'll have a nice view of the Purdy Bridge over there. We'll continue heading down south towards Olympia. We'll have some nice views on there. From Olympia we'll adjust and we'll head straight down to Chehalis. And that will be our first leg for today.
I started posting about my journey to getting my private pilot's license when I was in Austin. Once I got to Seattle, I figured tagging the airports in this area for some of my new videos would help me meet new people. After a few flights and tagging the airports, I ended up meeting Gerard online.
Cessna 513 Whiskey Foxtrot, Boeing Tower, runway 32 left. At Alpha 9, clear for takeoff, fly straight out for now.
32 left, clear for takeoff with 5 straight out, 513 Whiskey Foxtrot.
Then mortality, looking for the traffic.
Airspeed is alive, engine is in the green, 40, 50.
We met at Boeing Field and he gave me a thorough brief over the plan he put together.
Cessna 3 Whiskey Foxtrot, traffic ahead and to your left, helicopter inbound, report in sight.
Traffic inside, 513 Whiskey Foxtrot.
Cessna 3 Whiskey Foxtrot, Blake departure approved behind that traffic.
Blake departure approved behind the traffic, 513 Whiskey Foxtrot.
5 airports in one day. Some towered, some not. Driving through Seattle on I-5, I had seen Boeing Field many times but never actually went down there. So this was a great opportunity to get a look around. It was also nice to fly with someone that's familiar with the area so I can get a feel for most of the airports and the airspace without having to figure it out on my own. We put the flight plan in the autopilot and decided to hit up Seattle Approach to get some extra eyes on where we're headed.
513 Whiskey Foxtrot, radar contact 2 miles north of Olympia at 4,500. Advising to get the weather at Chehalis.
Alright, we'll pick up the weather at Chehalis and let you know. 3 Whiskey Fox.
Coming into Chehalis was a breeze. The weather was fine, sunny. There wasn't really a lot of traffic in the area, so it made for an uneventful leg of the afternoon. After Chehalis, we headed north to Shelton, but there was a lot of traffic in the area, and being that this was a non-towered field, we decided to get out of there pretty quickly. So after landing in Shelton, we taxied back and immediately departed for Tacoma.
Tacoma Tower information, hotel, 2353 Zulu, wind 0308, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 18, dew point 04, altimeter 3044. Expect GPS approach, runway 35 in use. Advise on initial contact. You have information hotel.
Tacoma Tower, Cessna 513 Whiskey Foxtrot, 2 miles.
Cessna 3 Whiskey Foxtrot, runway 35, you're clear to land.
35, clear to land, 513 Whiskey Foxtrot.
I was actually born in Tacoma and we moved when I was really young, so I don't remember anything about it, which makes this flight pretty awesome to see. They have a restaurant right on the field where the outside tables have a view of the ramp and the runway, so while you eat, you get to watch planes come in and take off. I don't know if it was just me being hungry or the excitement of the airport, but these were the best wings I have ever had in my entire life. And of course, Gerard went with a healthy salad, but I don't blame him for that. One of my favorite things about aviation is just how cool and open most of the people are. We met some really awesome pilots and family members that were also at the restaurant. They talked to us about our planes and we connected on social media, and it just made for a really awesome lunch.
Cessna 3 Whiskey Foxtrot, right turnout northeast departure is approved, runway 35 cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 35, right turnout northeast departure approved, 3 Whiskey Fox.
We took off from Tacoma as the sun started to set and headed out for KPLU. Mount Rainier really started to shine through, and it was just beautiful footage all the way across. Since moving here, I've really been incorporating Mount Rainier in a lot of my videos, but I will never get tired of looking at the mountain peeking over the horizon. Squeaking through the Delta, past McCord Field, we headed down to KPLU. We didn't stay long because it was getting dark and honestly had been quite a long day, so we were ready to get back toward Boeing. We touched down in Pierce County, taxied back, and took off in the opposite direction to avoid the trees since it was getting dark. I've said this in a couple of videos before, but every single time I go in the air in this area, I am impressed with the scenery that Washington and the Pacific Northwest in general has to offer.
Boeing Tower, good evening, Skyhawk 513 Whiskey Fox with November. We are just north of Auburn, inbound full stop.
513 Whiskey Foxtrot, Boeing Tower, 13304 at 4, altimeter 3044. Make straight in for runway 32 right and report a 3-mile final.
Straight in 32 right, report 3-mile final, 3 Whiskey Fox.
On the way back from Pierce to Boeing, it was a pretty quick flight.
Boeing Tower, Skyhawk 513 Whiskey Fox is 3 miles out.
We flew directly over the Auburn airport and managed to miss most airspaces and come in without any issues.
To the 3 Whiskey Fox, runway 32 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 32 right, 3 Whiskey Fox.
Honestly, this is an amazing day, and I hope I continue to meet new friends in aviation and visit new places.